Hey guys, it's Diego with Milviz. We're in the Milviz F-86 Sabre Service Pack 1. We've had a few people ask questions about how the flap systems work, and we've had a few people asking why their flaps are freezing. So I thought I'd get to both of these issues. First thing we're going to do is explain how the flap system works, then we're going to get to why some people are experiencing frozen flaps. Let's go down to the flap handle, and let's talk about the three positions. Obviously we have flaps up, we have our new hold position, and we have flaps down. I have my joystick set to where I have a flaps up and flaps down switch, so let's go flaps down. That's going to put us in the hold position. Flaps down once more will put us in the down position. Flaps up will put us back in hold, and flaps up once more will put us in the up position. Let's go look at our wing and see what's going on. As you can see, the flaps are fully retracted. We're going to go ahead and hit flaps down once, and that puts us in the hold position and nothing happens. That's because we are holding the flap in said position. Flaps down once more, and we will fully extend our flaps. This takes about 4 seconds. Flaps up brings us in the hold position, and flaps up once more will fully retract the flaps. Now it is recommended that if you're flying with your flaps either fully extended or retracted, that you keep the flap handle in said position. I.e., if your flaps are fully extended, keep the flap handle down. If your flaps are fully retracted, keep the flap handle up. Let's talk about how the hold system works. So here we are, flaps fully up. When we hit flaps down once, we go to hold, and as we saw before, nothing happens. Let's hit flaps down one more time, go over to our wing, and flaps up. Now I don't know if you saw that, but what I did was I stopped the flaps into the position that I want. So let's go flaps up, back to hold, flaps up, back to hold, flaps down, back to hold, flaps down, back to hold. So essentially what our hold position does is it allows you to set the flaps to whatever angle you wish. It almost gives you an unlimited amount of flap settings. And this is how it actually was in the real F-86 Sabre. So there you see we've almost got the flaps fully extended. Just to show you guys what's going on, we are in the hold position, and when we go flaps up, we will be fully retracted. Now on to the issue of some people reporting that their flaps are frozen. I'll actually read Stovall's post. He says, "Is it correct that the flap handle is frozen? I get the small hand when I go to move it, but the handle itself does not move. It is frozen in the up position." So here we go. There's a small hand that Stovall was talking about, and when I left click with the mouse, nothing happens. Essentially the flap handle is frozen. What we have done is we've made this a click and drag. Okay, you see how that works? So now we're in the full down position. I'm going to click it, drag it up. Now we're in the up position. Now you can do this in the hold position. It's a little tricky, but if you just click and drag it and let go, there you go. You're in the hold position. Back up, fully down, hold, and back up. It is a little tricky, especially if you're flying around in bumpy weather, to be reaching down for this with your mouse. So again, I recommend binding 2 keys on your joystick, the flaps down and the flaps up. Hope this video was helpful, and I hope you enjoy the F-86 Service Pack 1.